Trains. Trains. Trying Hornby train sets. Trying Hornby train sets. Trying Hornby train sets. Trying Hornby train sets. If you want a train set, Trying Hornby make just the one you want.
You're looking at the latest great idea from Hornby. A complete train set for less than £5. It's a great way to start building a railway.
The great thing about Hornby railways is that they grow on you. And the more they grow, the more fascinating the hobby becomes. Gradually, you can add track, rolling stock, and accessories, signals, stations, special wagons, even the latest Freightliner equipment. Get him a Hornby set for Christmas, Dad. It could be the start of something big.
Buy a Hornby train set for the boy. It's amazing the fun you can have building it up. He really loves it.
Hornby Railways, the present with a future.
Look! I'm Hornby side! Now I can really show you around this Hornby Railway. It's amazing. Look at this goods yard. Everything's so real. Good, eh? Hello, she's in trouble. Run out of petrol, love? You can talk to yourself round here. You got the brake on? Stop! That's the last time you play with my Hornby train set.
Hornby, use your imagination.
Hello, they've made me Hornby size again to show you how Hornby accessories can really make your layout come to life. What was that? Anyway, Hornby make more accessories than anyone, and lots of them you can work by hand. Let's pull in here. Here we are then. Now, let's have a look at this signal box. You see? Ah, it's him again! You just wait till I'm full size.
You only get them a train set once, so make it Hornby.
Is he still there?
Villages, fields, a junction at crew. Main lines and sidings, a shunter or two. Freight trains and tankers, a great water tower. The Mallard, the Star, they've got some power. Hornby. Radiant's viaducts, a diesel, a crane. Lifting a coach, not showing the strain. People on platforms, cattle and skies. Houses and crossings, a big pair of eyes. A big pair of eyes. I'm a Hornby HST, and nothing can catch me.
Just play the track for a Hornby set and it all happens. Look at that, just in time, Hornby's there on the line. Oh, nothing goes like it, nothing grows like it, Hornby. Nothing goes like it, nothing grows like it, Hornby. You have such fun with a Hornby set, watching it happen. Oh, be quick, just in time, Hornby's there on the line. Hornby. Oh, nothing goes like it, nothing grows like it, Hornby. Nothing goes like it, nothing grows like it, Hornby.
I just got this Thomas and Bertie set for my birthday.
Then I got the Intercity 225 for Christmas. And then?
Then I got serious. Hornby Railways. Start the way you mean to carry on.
Hornby, a passion for every generation and the next.
No, oh well, thanks very much anyway. Goodbye.
Townsend.
Hello, you know the Hornby double model railway? Yeah. Do you have an R186 signal box?
Well, let's see. Yes, I got one left.
Great! We've got one, Mum.
Good old yellow pages. We're not just there for the nasty things in life, like a blocked drain or a broken window. We can help with the fun things, too.
Oh, hello, Ben.
Happy birthday, Dad.
Thanks, Ben.
The Cornish Riviera Express is now leaving platform 3. Note the fine detail. Lima have a bigger range of train sets and accessories than anyone else. Thank you.
Action-packed Lima train sets from about £3.50 to £65.